Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ubam Isaac and you are welcome here. I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. And if you are a new content creator, if you are a new YouTuber, tag me to all your videos so that I will watch it, I will comment, I want to support you. I will also subscribe to your channel. I haven't said that in this video I want to show you the things that you must not, as a matter of fact, run away from if you are a new YouTuber aspiring to go into YouTube. Content creation is a very thing that I must recommend, and if you are yet to start, I want you to start like yesterday, because one thing about being a YouTuber is that you're going to be smart. It's going to make you smart because you are going to do a lot of research. You are going to get interested in knowing how things are done so that you come and teach people. Being a YouTuber is something that everybody should aspire because it is a form of self-education. I want to point out by narrating this story. From this story, you'll be able to know that as a YouTuber, you need to avoid it as a plague. What I want to say is, if you are a new YouTuber, you don't have to start by paying somebody. Yes, that is what I want to talk about today. If you are a new YouTuber, don't start by paying somebody to create content for you. If you want to start by paying somebody, know that you have a lot of money somewhere and you want to invest it, looking for it to grow someday. And let not your hope totally be there, because sometimes YouTube can be so challenging. The expectations, you can do nice videos and before you know, that video only have 500 views at most in 1 month. You can be disappointed, you can be frustrated if you just put all your hope and say, okay, this is, I want to earn from it as quickly as possible. You are standing on a wrong foundation, which is not sure. So don't come into YouTube and start by paying somebody to create content for you, except you have enough cash flow that does not cease, that does not stop. You can do that, but as a new YouTuber, you are struggling. Why I'm bringing this up, which will help other people who may be tempted to go or to do the same path, is because I was creating content for somebody. Okay, this person started this folklore storytelling channel using AI images. Okay, so I was the content creator. My work was to write the story, narrate the story, use AI images to represent every line of the story. Then I will now upload it to the channel and do all the optimization and the rest of the thing. So that majorly was my work. The person was paying me for the first 2-3 months we're working. The person needed this result urgently, like I want to start earning. I want to start earning, and by the grace of God, the channel was, picking up. Some videos were picking up. In fact, as a new channel, some videos were getting 2,000, 2,005 views, 3,000, 5,000 views. But this person wanted to cash out as soon as possible, always telling me, I'm paying you for this, I'm paying you for that, I'm paying you this and that and that. I want to start seeing results, and I was doing my best. But YouTube can be disappointing, okay, sometimes. can be disappointing. The thing that you really think, this video, if people see, they will love it, it will not go anywhere. So that was a kind of, something that after some time the person break, say, okay, I cannot continue again, drop me, went and hired another person, and the person could not even work up to 1 month for the channel. The person was dropped again, and the person ran back to me. So, okay, you were doing better, now the channel has been monetized, the videos that you made are picking up. I said, okay, let us have a new agreement. Was a kind of like, okay, let us start by we will do it in commissions, like in percentage. We'll do it in percentage, whatever the channel brings, that is. And I was not comfortable with it, because this channel, okay, though it is monetized now, the content is not guaranteed that I'm going to be creating content using all my time, putting my time, my effort, my energy, because it is time consuming, especially that aspect, that niche of content. Okay, that niche of content is very, very taxing, that you have to put all your time, research, write stories, sit down, narrate, edit, do all those things, and start creating it and upload, optimize it. So it's going to be something that, and you are not sure how viral, how it will go, that you'll be able to gain. You are putting your data so I was like, okay, this is the amount you should pay me for the next 3 months. Then if the channel pick up in the next 3 months, we can now think about the percentage. But for now, let me have some cash. And the person agreed. I started creating content for the channel, and the channel was okay, picking up again. What made the person to get disappointed was that the kind of fast growth that she envisaged was not there. Do you understand? YouTube is not something that you should kind of put your life on it. Do you understand? So if you want to really make it in YouTube, do the works by yourself. Most of the works, do it by yourself. The major one that will not require you paying somebody. If you should pay somebody at all, it should be minimal, something that you can actually, if you let the person go, the channel can still function without the person. Okay, but if 100% of the work is done by a paid person, what if the person decides not to work for you, and you go to another person, and that person is not as good as the channel will fall. In fact, the channel will be a failure, and so many things can happen. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I believe you are gaining value from it already. So to continue, you have to know certain things like video editing, graphic design, and how to generate your content, how to do certain things. There are videos on my channel that teaches you basic things like how to generate videos, how to create videos, how to edit, how to how to design your graphics and those things. I've made some videos about it. I'm still going to make more videos with details so that people can still learn. So you have to sit down first, study, learn, equip yourself, and make sure that you are not starting by paying somebody. Because if you start by paying somebody and the expectation is not met, it will look like you are wasting your money. You understand? It will look like you are wasting your money. Some channel can blow in a week. Some channel can blow in a month. Some channel can blow in 2 months. Some channels can blow in 1 year. Some channels can last as long as 3, 4, 5 years before they start picking up. So this thing you cannot tell. You cannot tell when your channel will pick up. And most of the time, it is not advisable that you begin to promote the channel at the beginning. Let your followers and your views grow organically. So the investment there is for you to invest in yourself, not to pay somebody to start a channel, not to pay somebody at the beginning of the channel. You carry somebody along. At the end of the day, you will get tired when you are not seeing results. You feel disappointed. You feel like you are wasting your money. You feel like you are wasting your money. You feel like you are wasting your time. You feel like you are a failure. That is, it can put you in the state of depression. What I want to really emphasize is, don't start your channel by employing somebody, by paying somebody. Please, I'm begging you, because you don't know how long it would take for the channel to pick up. You don't know how long it would take the channel to begin to bring back your investment, your invested resources. So every investment, if you don't know how to create your own content and you really want to go into YouTube, have the money already, and make sure that when you are paying, look for a competent hand. Know that this person is doing the right thing, and be patient. Get the money, invest, and sit back. Don't put your hope there, but believe that you are not wasting money, and just sit back. But the best investment to do is for you to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Carry all the money you have, learn courses, study. If you come to YouTube, all of the things I know, I learn from YouTube. When I see a topic of interest, I click on it, I watch, I learn, I go and practice, and before you know, I know how to do those things. So if you invest your time, maybe you just buy data, come to YouTube, look for topics that interest you, and learn, see how people do things, and learn how they do it, and you implement it. You so developed yourself that you are able to handle your channel by yourself. Like this, my channel, from graphic design, video editing, and the rest of the thing, I do it by myself. Okay, I don't need to pay somebody, because I know I don't have that money, and the channel is struggling. In fact, I started this channel some time ago, and I get discouraged and I dumped it. I had 40 subscribers for a period of like 3-4 months, and it couldn't pass that because I didn't post again. One is that I didn't have a good phone, again because I use phone to create my content, my editing and everything I do with phones. Okay, so I didn't have phones, I didn't have camera, I didn't have anything, so I just stopped posting. So the channel was stuck at 40 subscribers for months. Then it was recently that I just did this video, how to make money online using this app, and before you know, that particular video has added, the last time I checked was 79 subscribers. So you see that the channel is picking up, and I believe that God will help it to grow. So channel need patience, channel needs your own involvement. You have to be involved. You don't just start a channel and carry somebody and put, and you forget about it, and all you want is immediate results. You need that investment, you need that your time, and also need your patience. I believe you have learned something. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Look at the comment section so that whatever I'm supposed to mention in this video which I've forgotten to mention, I will put it in the comment section. So go to the comment section and tell me, share your experience with me, how you started your channel, the challenges, the things that you experienced, and we would rub our minds together and see how we can get those issues solved for you. There are a lot of videos that I'll be uploading, so if you are yet to subscribe, I will appreciate if you subscribe. And as I said in the beginning of the video, tag me to all your new videos if you are a new YouTuber, and I will come watch it, comment and subscribe to your channel, because I want to support you. I want us to grow together. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.